In the world of health and wellness, intermittent fasting has gained significant attention as a powerful approach to improving various aspects of well-being. From weight management to metabolic health and longevity, intermittent fasting offers a range of potential benefits. In this video, we will delve into the science behind intermittent fasting, its benefits, and provide you with practical tips on how to get started. Understanding intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, IF, is not a diet in the traditional sense, but rather an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. It doesn't prescribe specific foods to eat or avoid, but focuses on when you eat them. The idea is to create cycles of eating and fasting to optimize your body's physiological processes. There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting, including 16-8 method. This method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting your eating to an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between 12 o'clock p.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. and fast from 8 o'clock p.m. to 12 o'clock p.m. the next day. 5-2 diet. In this approach, you eat normally for 5 days of the week and limit calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories on the remaining 2 non-consecutive days. Eat, stop, eat. This method involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. For instance, you might eat dinner at 7 o'clock p.m. and then not eat again until 7 o'clock p.m. the following day. Alternate day fasting. This method involves alternating between days of regular eating and days of fasting or consuming very few calories. Warrior diet. The warrior diet involves fasting for 20 hours and eating a large meal within a 4-hour window in the evening. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. The benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight management. Intermittent fasting can help with weight loss by reducing calorie intake and improving fat metabolism. During fasting periods, the body uses stored fat as an energy source, aiding in weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity. IF can enhance insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Cellular repair and longevity. Fasting triggers a cellular process called autophagy, where cells remove damaged components. This process is associated with longevity and reduced risk of age-related diseases. Heart health. IF may contribute to heart health by reducing risk factors like inflammation, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure. Brain health. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting might support brain health by enhancing brain function, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting the growth of new neurons. Cancer prevention. While more research is needed, some animal studies indicate that intermittent fasting could potentially reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Getting started with intermittent fasting. Choose a method. Select an intermittent fasting method that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Start gradually, allowing your body to adjust to the new eating pattern. Stay hydrated. During fasting periods, it's essential to stay hydrated. Drink water, herbal teas, and other non-caloric beverages to prevent dehydration. Balanced diet. When you do eat, focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, including vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you feel unwell or excessively hungry, consider adjusting your fasting schedule. Be patient. It takes time for your body to adapt to intermittent fasting. Results may not be immediate, but consistency will yield the best outcomes. Consult a professional. If you have underlying health conditions or concerns, consult a healthcare professional before starting intermittent fasting. In conclusion, intermittent fasting offers a flexible and effective approach to improving various aspects of health. From weight management to cellular repair and longevity, the potential benefits are numerous. Remember that intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone, and it's essential to tailor the approach to your individual needs and preferences. By understanding the different methods and benefits, You can embark on a journey towards